You ruined everything for me, man. Everything.
Don't forget to clear your tank.
Oh no! I'm not touching it like that. That get me in trouble. One, two, three.
Let's go.
Okay. It is a very I don't know, fast day today. I am already, as usual, fucking late. I'm annoyed at myself as well. Oh man, the dust bath. Fuck. You ruined everything for me, man. Everything.
Fuck it. Try again tomorrow.
You ruined my entire bike. What?
Bye. Have a great time.
Yeah, never mind. Just go ahead. At least I won't get the dust. Another one bites the dust. Man, it feels so good. I also need to fuel up as well. I'll first reach the hotel and then fuel up. And we're back to the sunrise. Alright, they are ready. Am I on time?
How are you?
I'm good.
Long time no see. Yeah.
Yeah. We had a long night.
How was your 10-hour break?
It was good. I mean, we are not that fully rested. And these guys still haven't woken up. I mean, in the morning.
Okay.
So I let them be. I was like, you join us at the Marine Drive.
Okay, so they've stayed at your place.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys had a good night?
Yeah, good.
Good rest? Yeah. You must have been tired, right? Throughout the day. You must have been very tired yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were.
Pretty much sunrise to sunset.
Right.
Well, even after sunset.
Correct, yeah. We had a pretty much 12 hours of entire day, right?
Yeah. And then the craziest part was actually like even at the end when we were riding through the city.
Yeah. That was most chaotic.
A few moments later.
1, 2, 3. Sound sync.
I'll do I always do like this.
Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Okay, we're headed out again, but we need to fuel up. Oh, is it? We'll take a turn. Full kara. Full.
How many liters is the tank?
8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Are you mad or what?
भाई मुझे माफ कर दो भाई मेरे मुंह से निकल गई गलती से आसपास
कैसी पथेटिक थिंकिंग है।
मेरे को बिल्कुल पता नहीं था, मैं तो समझा था ये फॉरेन कंट्री के बंदे हैं।
I told you it's not practical at all.
Yeah. It's not, like for the size of the engine, it's not a very.
It is not. I fuel up maybe once every 15 days. Not 15 days, maybe 10 days.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले।
कितना?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
ठीक है, अब तो सच बोल दे ठीक है।
This bike, is it called Continental GT?
Yes.
Or GT Continental?
Continental GT.
Continental GT. What does the GT stand for?
Gran Turismo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've heard it on cars.
Yes.
But I've never heard it on a bike.
Yes. I don't know what exactly that means for this bike, but that's what it's called. So.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So we take a U-turn from here, right? I was asking, but ठीक है. What a pleasant weather this morning, huh? Oh, what was that? Got a bird dropping to ruin my day. Well done there. Ah, man.
घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही
Why do I even say things that get me in trouble? Why? Just when I rejoiced of pleasant weather, a bird blessed me.
I'm sick and tired now. I don't know what to do.
Whoa. What?
Flooded the road.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
We were supposed to take this road. We've come here. So what we'll do is we'll take a U-turn and then go back.
Okay.
Yeah?
U-turn number 1 of the day.
Yeah. Not the last by anyway.
Honestly, I don't know how they keep the streets open with all this. It's so much.
Yeah. That's pretty common.
I mean, it's nearly every single road is something being built.
Every single road has been dug up in Mumbai. And now it's much better, you know, since the last 2 years, because metro was being built in India, in Mumbai.
Oh, really?
So it was even worse. Like almost every parallel road had these kind of barricades.
What, like over the whole city?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, so they've actually completed a lot of work.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, this city in maybe like, I don't know, 10 years, once all of our overpasses,
Hopefully.
it's going to be like a lot of U-turns probably, but
We're supposed to be going this way, by the way.
we're going this way.
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Oh, is it showing this way?
I don't know.
No, this way. Should we check once?
Huh? Mine rerouted us this way.
Okay.
So,
Because for me it's showing that.
yeah, that's right. No, not the other way. No, the other way is completely opposite.
Yeah, that's what.
My Google Maps is just going crazy.
Yeah, Google is very dodgy that way.
That's right. No, this looks good.
Yeah. Alright.
Your gloves.
Uh-huh.
They're working.
Yeah, they work on touch. These are Vyaterra gloves. I've got a bird dropping, by the way, on my way.
Oh wow, and they're working really well.
Yeah, properly.
My one, not you have to cut off.
Correct, yeah.
That's literally perfect.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, alright, let's go. These, by the way, are Vyaterra whole shot gloves. Not a sponsored post, but yeah, these work pretty well and they're quite nice. They've got some knock sliders and full leather construction, a little bit of mesh for ventilation, so all things good. This is the same road that we took yesterday,
Okay.
so it's quite easy today.
Yeah. A little bit more chill there.
Yeah. Do you want to switch?
Maddie's just in her dress mode now.
Right, yeah.
Just like relax.
Yeah. Now we'll climb this flyover and take a left,
Okay.
and then take a right. We'll reach Marine Drive. Don't forget to clear your lens.
Yeah. Don't forget to clear your tank.
Oh no! I'm not touching it like that. Only with wet cloth.
You have to leave it like, okay.
Yeah.
And then at the end you just...
Yes. Otherwise it leaves scratches on the tank. My precious. I mean, I usually use my bare hands because they tend to, take away the scratches, but otherwise I never, with my gloves though, for sure, never happening. Oh, god damn, that's a G-Wagon, god damn. Wow, how did I miss that all this while? Let's go. So this pretty much is the end of Marine Drive, so we can stop anywhere on this road towards there. I'll also call these two guys and see where they are. So you'll find a lot of fancy bikes and cars roaming around here.
What, just up and down?
Yeah. Because since it is an open and empty highway, right?
So
So
because it doesn't go anywhere, the highway.
yeah.
So people are just driving up and down the road.
This is sort of a destination. So this surrounds. This is like a sea. It's called the Queen's Necklace. Yeah. खयच्या सायडीक आसा रे? ट्रायडनच्या थंय. आमी हय एकदम एंडला आसा अलीकडेच. पार्किंग दिलं ना तू? रिसीट आसा ना? Thank you. Did they just leave their phone on here? No, you left your phone. No, it's all right. You left your phone, I'm saying. Yeah, actually we'll park ahead. Samruddha and Omkar are right there.
Okay.
Yeah?
We'll go to them, shall we?
Yeah, we will do that. Hello, आम्हीच येतो पुढे जरा. खय तू? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Trident कडेच थांब येत आहे थंय. Thank you. While on our way in the morning, I was seeing what a pleasant weather, the day is nice, and a bird shat on me. Right after.
No. Anyway, I think it means good luck.
Well, just to make yourself feel better, sure.
Hi. We haven't slept last night, so we have to sleep. No.
Sleepwalking now.
How are you, Omkar? Okay? I'm good. Good? It's good. If you haven't slept, you look very fresh. You look good. Is that just a shirt? Yeah. That's just a t-shirt.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
घुसली कशी? कशी लावला ना बघ. तू बसतो कशाक? बसतो कशाक?
बूट घालतो.
Yep, it is afternoon already. And before you guys ask what we did for so long, well, we hung out at the Marine Drive for some time and did some chit chat.
And it was later in the night. I mean, we couldn't even see clearly.
Met a few subscribers and then hopped in the car because
We are gonna teach Lavi how German cuisine is actually.
we then drove onto the beautiful coastal road and went to the very famous German bakery in Bandra and got ourselves a lot of breakfast and ate all of it in the car itself, taking a review from an authentic German. We then drove back on the same coastal road and reached back to our bikes. Of course, all of this and much more will be on Lavi and Ollie's channel, so don't forget to check them out.
If you remember this guy, I had met him during my last ride to Marine Drive and I happened to run into him, and he did tell me that he's going to be buying a Continental GT for himself as well. And well, here it is. He finally achieved his dream and is riding it. And poor guy, I had parked this bike here and with my friends I went on a ride to the coastal road, and this guy spotted my bike and waited here for apparently for 3 hours in this heat. So crazy, but very sweet of him to do that firstly, and I wish all the happiness for him. He's finally bought his dream bike, so congratulations, man.
Thank you.
We're happy for you.
My second picture, right?
Yeah, very nice. ए तो दुसरा कॅमेरा कुठे आहे रे? बॅगेतच आहे. नाही ह्याच्यातच आहे. It's my batteries, camera batteries. Yeah.
Can I get a selfie?
Yeah, absolutely.
Get the bike in the frame too.
Pivot.
I came and I first checked the number. If it's 6,
Is that the nothing phone?
Yep, it's a phone.
Yeah, very nice.
On my 1000cc.
Oh wow.
Best है. अरे हिट बेस्ट है. काय नाही. 18 वर्ष झाली त्याला.
Chalo, see you guys. Yeah, ride safe. Have you put something to navigate? I'll do that. Sure, if you know, we'll have a short ride. Chalo, we've got an escort.
Okay, we have our own private escort.
Yeah.
दोस्तोर व्हिडिओ कधी? एक दोस्तोर कधी?
अजून R&D चालू आहे.
अजून?
हां, कारण हे बघ.
हां, तू सांग.
उडालं ना? So I'm working on these exhausts. This brand sponsored these exhausts for me. These are not stock, these are the stock ones.
Yeah.
So I'm working on this, but the powder coat isn't lasting because it's too hot, right? It evaporates. So we are trying to find a way to figure the powder coat on this one.
See, just on this bit mostly. Right?
Yeah.
I want it to be black.
Yeah, so people have been desperately asking me for the video on exhaust, but I can't now because I'm trying to figure this out, right? Anyway, chalo, let's go. Do your wrists hurt?
सुरुवातीला खूप झालेला.
हाँ, काय करायचं सांगतो. Keep your elbows loose
तेच.
and your core tight and hold it with the knees. Yeah.
फक्त तो पेले नसतो तो त्याच्यासाठी कंबर दुखते.
Done. Where are you headed now? अच्छा, सही है.
परत जाणार होतो, तुझी गाडी दिसली मग थांबलो.
Right.
ब्लॉग कधी येणार आता?
I have no idea, man. आपण भेटल्यानंतर कधी आलेला आपला ब्लॉग?
व्हिडिओ महत्त्वाचा.
हा ना, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्तच पकडतो.
There is no passion, there is no wish.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Here's where my motovlog comes to an end. But our day hadn't finished. We took a nice walk on the streets of South Mumbai and reached
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya.
Yeah, that. And we took a look at the rich cultural heritage our beloved country has to offer. And these two were absolutely impressed. I then ended the day with a very interviewee kind of a conversation with Ollie, talking about my journey as a creator.
To be very honest, I never liked the chaos of Mumbai, but it's like you jump into the water and learn swimming.
Yeah.
That's what happened with me. I came here, I immediately got used to the chaos. I just went with the flow and it worked out for me.
And just like all good things come to an end, so did our journey together. And it was time to say a goodbye to our dear friends, Lavi and Ollie.
Oh, bye. Awesome. You've shown us so much of the city, and it's been incredible. Seriously.
Yes. Thank you for coming. Thank you for bearing with us. It's been a pleasure having you. You've been very, very, open-minded with everything, all the ways of the city.
Yeah.
You did not have any tantrums towards anything.
Yeah, we were very close yesterday in the evening, but it's fine.
Yeah. It was absolutely fun.
It
Yes.
was great. No, it was amazing.
Yes.
So many beautiful places here in Mumbai.
I'm looking forward to seeing you again in India very soon. Make that happen quick.
It won't be our last time riding together.
Of course.
For sure.
See you. Thank you for coming. We'll see you very soon.
Let's go on a trip together.
Of course. Yes. I'll surely let you know when I'll be in England or Germany.
Yes. But you guys have been amazing hosts, and honestly, I really, really like this city. I think this city is great.
Yes.
I've really enjoyed it.
Maybe next time when you come spend a little more time with us, then we can of course explore a bit more.
Yeah, there's so much to do.
Would love to have you again.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, guys.
Thank you. Bye. Have a safe ride. There it was. Bye. Ah.
Bonus.
हे स्क्रॅच पडणार रे बाबा.
हा, माझ्या बोटाने स्क्रॅच. कॅमेरा बंद आहे?
चालू है. ध्यान से देखो इस शख्स को.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.